Because later, guys, when we start to work, see everything starts to move from power. You start to move a little bit different. Okay, so the person stands beside you. He starts to push you with the stick. From the contact, I start to inhale. Inhale, exhale. Just to the side for now. See, contact comes here. From the contact, my breathing starts. But again, watch the rest of my body. I move here. Usually, we escape, and the rest of the body is dead. Imagine a knife. So from this movement here, I try to relax my whole body, just like the exercises we did. I move, and the whole body starts to breathe. Here. See, contact comes, but everything is alive. Again, if I start to move from broken movement, I escape here, tension comes, then I start to hit from tension. I want to move from body power. See, step, go from side to side. Here. See, step, breathing. Pure breathing exercise. Also power in the movement. Because later, guys, when we start to work, see everything starts to move from power. You start to move a little bit different. If you're by yourself, you start to do the same movement. I start to lift my shoulder, go down. Start to lift this one. But what's most important, guys, is this movement. My whole body is awake, ready to move. That's what's important. Any contact, any movement should affect your whole body. Not just move here and the rest of the body's dead.